Okay, I thought I would quickly make a video to show you something I've been working on. This is a very simple project, but it's just an example of where how 3D printing can be so useful. This is an item that I bought at Daniel Smith. It's my favorite pencil sharpener, which is made of glass. You know, it's beautiful. And it's gonna make a bit of a mess now because, you know, I've been using it, but it came with this item here, which is very fragile. If you can see, it's plastic and very thin, and it fell on the floor and it broke, and I was disappointed that I couldn't use it anymore. And I'm like, I got this beautiful item and everything else I have is just plastic that I don't like, and this got a nice shape and it's glass. So anyway, it's a fabricated piece which has a thread on the inside. It's pretty strong. It's got some texture on the outside. And then I made the 3 holes right here. And then I just unscrewed the sharpener, right, which is metal, and I screwed it back onto my new lid. And I think this came out pretty nice. This is something I did fairly quickly, and I'm really happy about how it turned out. In fact, I think this is better than the original, in my opinion. Could have made it black, but I thought I would just convert it to blue, and you get to pick the colors when you're making your own stuff. Another thing I wanted to show that I've been working on is this large piece that you can see here. This is I'll talk about it later, but basically this is an example of threads that I've been using. There's a cap that goes here at the top. My printer stopped working yesterday because there was a power failure. Really surprising, but this large print became loose as a result. And the printer continued to print, and it still finished. There was just kind of a flaw that's very apparent. But I'm surprised that it actually didn't knock the piece over. It just it finished the job. Anyway, if you can look here, you can see that this is another thread I've been working on, and this is a huge overhang. So I've been basically specializing on threads as a machinist. I've machined threads before and done technical drawings, and I haven't yet mastered machining or threads in CAD modeling. In fact, I think that CAD modeling can be very limiting because they give you a bunch of options, and then it's like, okay, I want this type, and you don't have full control. So I've been designing my threads in Blender where I have full control, but right now it's a slow process for me. I have to do it internally, I have to do it externally, and this would be an external thread, right, with something that has to fit just right on the inside. But the overhang is too much, and I am going to switch to designing threads in Blender now, and eventually I'll be pretty fast because I have a lot of projects that involve that. But I just thought I would show you that because this is going to come out at some point for furniture I'm designing, and it's going to look pretty amazing. This is just a prototype. Thank you for looking.